Working on the truck. Henry's turning some bolts. We're laying on cardboard. Can't beat it. What we gotta do is, got a bad fuel pump. It's right there on the other side of the frame. So I got Henry out here helping me. We're gonna take it off. That's the best spot right there. Just rest right on him. Push. You need me to get it? You need me to start it?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, that's the fuel pump right on the other side of the frame. You got this one side with a clip, incoming fuel, and you got the old style connector for outgoing fuel, and you got your battery connections. But this thing looks like it's original, so 280,000 miles, definitely should be replaced. That back connection from the tank has a clip holding it. It's plastic, so be really careful. You have to pull it up to disconnect. I broke mine, but it also has one side, so it'll still hold. But just be careful, because that's going to be pretty fragile. There we go. Well, I got it out. It fell somewhere. Okay. Got a little cup. Try to slide that out. Last time I did this, it was kind of just drippy. Nothing. Not really good pressure at all. Look at that. Huh. Terrible. Once I got that line off, I pushed some air through it to see if I could clear out anything that would be clogged in the tank. If your fuel bowl is filling up this slow, something's wrong. And in my case, it wasn't the fuel pump on the rail. It was something clogging the pickup inside the tank. This goes inside that to release the teeth inside that. And then you can pull it out.
Okay.
And what comes out is like what you're doing is actually right here. Sliding that inside and releasing some teeth holding this collar. Once you release those, you can slide this out.
All the big pieces. Dad, do you need this bit on here?
Oh. Hey-o. A little bit of fuel coming out. Not bad. Go ahead and swap that. Pull it in.
Why is it dripping?
Well, because there's fuel. Diesel fuel. I had preemptively slid the new pump into the protective shield that you unbolted from the frame. This is so I could swap them really quick and not let diesel fuel leak all over the ground. Too short. Oh, I got it. I got it. Nice.
Got it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I just tried with all my strength and it went. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your new fuel pump kit should have come with connections for the electrical to the battery. What you're going to have to do is cut off the original connectors, splice it, and you're going to put in the new connections. They're like quick connect type connectors.
I was sitting on that ball for...
Right here I got some pliers so I could tighten up the connector that comes from the battery. these new quick connects sometimes aren't very tight, and so I wanted to make sure and crimp it a little bit so it makes a really solid connection and can't come off. Once you finish with your new wiring, I kind of just tuck the wiring up into the frame, and I'm going to tape it later, but that's it.